Sun and Shade is an Earth and Space science unit incorporating ideas about temperature and shade, seasons, and weather forecasting. Let's look into the unit at a glance. This unit covers several kindergarten, physical, and earth science standards about sunlight's warming effect, weather patterns, and severe weather forecasting. 3 of the next generation science standards correspond to a Missouri Learning Standard, listed in parentheses on this chart. Take a moment to pause the video and review them. In this unit, students try to figure out sunlight's effect on the world around them. The anchoring phenomenon used to connect students to the science content is the idea that certain parts of their playground have differing amounts of light. What causes that? What are the effects of different amounts of sunlight? Is it always true that the playground is sunny? After each lesson, students will reflect to consider what they have learned that will help them figure out the answers to the questions they have about how sunlight affects Earth's surface and patterns of weather. The design challenge for this unit is an activity in Lesson 2. Closely connected to the anchoring phenomenon of playground sun and shade, students are tasked with designing a structure that will keep a toy bear shaded on a sunny day. They design, build, and test their structures using materials such as popsicle sticks, clay, paper, plates, and a flashlight. Now that we have an idea about what students will study in this unit, take a look at the unit flowchart. This unit is divided into 3 sections, and there are 7 lessons total. Section 1 asks students to observe sun and shade and the effects of sun and shade. This section will take about 12 days. Here are some of the content level big ideas for Section 1 and how students will figure them out. Students read, sing, use a thermometer, and observe to figure out that sunlight warms Earth's surface and temperatures in the shade or shadows are cooler than temperatures in sunny areas. They use flashlights to model changing sun and shade and make observations using chalk on their playground to figure out that shadows are made when light is blocked, and shadows we see outside change throughout the day. Section 2 asks students to consider the weather changes they observe throughout the year and what this means for animals. This section will take about 4 days. Students use a globe model, read, and watch videos to figure out that weather changes in a pattern throughout the year. They look at pictures, read, and watch videos of animals responding to weather changes by changing their behavior. In Section 3, students keep track of weather and figure out how to use weather information to keep safe in severe weather events. This section will take about 7 days. Students track weather in their location over time, create data charts with guidance from a teacher, watch videos, and read to figure out that tracking weather over time can help us prepare for and respond to different weather events. By the end of this unit, students will understand how sunlight warms surfaces, how weather occurs in patterns, how animals respond to weather changes, and how we can track and prepare for different weather events. For more information, please visit us at our website, myscipartners.com. mySci, inspiring the next generation of scientists.